unganenganyezi sibane sangwane umnyama kubofu wena uyenganyezi nambuka sibuko ngibona lithawe ngithi unganenganyezi sibane sangwane noma kumnyama kubofu uyenganyezi 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 wena uyenganyezi 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 wena uyenganyezi 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 wena uyenganyezi 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 wena wafika oh my god na SADs to this killing my vibe bafana say jackpot kwehle masoja ngathi sihlangabethe dinga ngaye airport lana ngajisha mntwanami nyobu seyidlaleni anangajisha mntwanami
I am an African. I am an African.
Konke kuyatholakala kalanga zotshwala managed to win this certificate.
Kuyasiqinisa ukuthi nakunomsebenzi esiwenzako uphumelele uyasiphakamisa kakhulu siyabonga.
Regional artist na best artist.
Lesibunile the best regional indigenous category sibunile kumanakha awards sithethe number 1 siyabonga kakhulu lokho kusho okukhulu ukuthi
namuhla sibinile kuma regional awards for best event which is Missy Pofaneni and for best creative brand as Havila Hazasatini.
Kuyina lokho region kuchaza ukuthi kimi nawe libomba umnyana funa siqhubeke sifake amandla kuze kuvele tinkhanyeti masters lamakhulu laqhamuka ngalanga kithi elibonjeni.
Phakama lubombo phakama. Siyabonga ngingakusho ukuthi siyabonga i-recognition sitawuqhubeka siwaphushe emathalente elibonjeni nelive lonkhana. Thank you.
Courtesy of Hip Hop, chairman of the 2026 National Arts and Culture Awards. We've just made our first stop on our regional tour, Lana Lubonjeni. What a display, what a show up and show out of culture. These guys, vele bawamelele emasiko, bawamelele emakono, batimisele, they're serious about taking this to the next level. Lokutawendeka nyalo ukuthi bonke laba bawinile in the various categories. Sabatamelela Lubombo region go nationals on 28 November 2026. Nasuka la sochika eshiselweni nasuka eshiselweni so prega ho sibuye siphelele kaManzini as we're moving around with the nationals. So Shiselweni, Manzini, Oho, we're coming to you next. Get ready. It's about to get right.